Surrounded by nothingness, you have to do nothing. You have to do nothing to be who you are, nothing at all. One is always free, and one is always alone. The mind is only dreaming. If there is peace in your mind, you will find peace with everybody. If your mind is agitated, you will find agitation everywhere. So first, find peace within, and you will see this inner peace reflected everywhere else. Where else will you find peace, if not within you? The whole world is your own self, so who is good and who is bad? The way to live a happy, beautiful life is to accept whatever comes and not care about what does not come. Nobody wants to work, not even the breath wants to work. Look here and know who you are. Instantly you will find freedom, and this suffering, hitchhiking from womb to womb, will instantly stop. The only way is to look within. No monastery has been successful at producing enlightenment. It has been tried. There are no shortcuts. Go deeper, go deeper. Don't land anywhere. It is all your desires that you see when you think. But when your mind is quiet, without desire, you are complete and as wonderful as you have always been. If you see the illusion, you are enlightened. But if you think that you are enlightened, you are in the illusion. You are all lions, so go your own way. Do not walk the beaten path like sheep, one after another. Do not follow any path. Lions do not follow each other like sheep. When mind is quiet, all is self. When mind moves, the world arises. So be still, throw away everything, and be free. You have to simply become aware of the movement of the mind, which begins with endless trouble. Whatever comes, let it come. What stays, let it stay. What goes, let it go. When anybody laughs, he has no mind, no thought, no problem, no suffering. Reality is everywhere, and to find it, you must first disappear. Thoughts are impediments to seeing your deepest nature. Don't give rise to any thought and discover who you are. That ocean of eternal peace is you. What is the difficulty that we suffer from? It is that we seek peace elsewhere and do not experience that we are peace incarnate itself. Anything that you have imposed on yourself to be unhappy, to be bound, is a concept. It is an imaginary concept, so give it away. Always remember, the thieves of peace are thieves in an empty house, because only imagination suffers. You are peace, that which remains untouched.